Kami, sana kung nagkamali, paano nyo kami nautakan? Ganun. Oh. Yes, paano nautakan ng majority ay minority?
Leader, ang kokote ng Senado, Senator Aquilino Coco Pimentel III.
Our distinguished minority floor leader, Senator Coco Pimentel,
Thank you. Boss,
is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, my dear colleagues, our Senate staff, our Senate Secretariat, our guests, my Commander-in-Chief is also here, our dear countrymen. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I am about to deliver my valedictory speech. This is one perk of being a senator which I would relish the most. My father was the valedictorian of all his classes throughout his academic life, from elementary, high school, college, and even up to College of Law. I was never a valedictorian, but I still get to deliver a valedictory speech. Swerte ko naman. Sabi ng ating konstitusyon, sovereignty resides in the people and all government authority emanates from them. I have been blessed by God and the Filipino people with the opportunity to hold a high government position.